How to survive a recession. What is a recession? A recession is a period of economic decline that lasts for more than 2 quarters. A recession is a term that is used to describe when the economy declines. There are many different causes of a recession, and they can range from political to economical. A recession is sometimes what people refer to as the opposite of an economic boom. A recession is a period of economic decline that lasts for more than 2 quarters. The term was first coined in the 1930s to describe what happened to countries whose economies were contracting, but it wasn't until the 1970s that economists began using it on a global scale. The term was first coined in the 1930s to describe what happened to countries whose economies were contracting, but it wasn't until the 1970s that economists began using it on a global scale. It's been used since then as a way of measuring how well an economy is doing by looking at factors such as employment levels and GDP growth rates. The essential guide to saving money in a recession. The recession is a time when people have to make tough decisions about what they can do to save money. The topic of this video is what you can do to optimize your business in tough times. In a time when the economy is not doing well, it can be difficult to keep up with the competition. This video will provide some tips for how to optimize your business in tough times. These tips include making sure that you have a solid plan, keeping a close eye on your finances, and staying organized so that you don't miss anything important that could help your business thrive. 1. Plan your meals for the week and buy groceries on Sunday or Monday. One way to save time and money is to plan your meals for the week on Sunday or Monday and buy your groceries then. It requires a little more planning in advance, but it will make weeknight dinners easier and you'll save money by not buying extra food. 2. Cancel any subscriptions that you don't use. Canceling subscriptions is a great way to reduce your monthly spending. Services like Amazon Prime and Netflix can become expensive if you don't use them enough. 3. Consider renting your home instead of buying it. In today's world, buying a house is no longer the norm. Renting can be a better option for many people because it offers more stability and fewer expenses. 4. Cut down on your spending by using cash only, not credit cards. The average American household has $15,654 in credit card debt. Since the majority of Americans are using their credit cards for everyday expenses, it's no wonder that we're so deep in debt. The first step to cutting down on your spending is to make sure you're not spending more than you have. Carrying cash instead of swiping your credit card will keep you aware of how much you're. Money management tips for your everyday lifestyle. Money management is a skill that can be learned and honed over time. But as we all know, there are many things that can happen in our lives that may make us lose track of how much money we have, or where it's going. The tips in this article are meant to help you with your everyday lifestyle and to provide a general overview of the best ways to manage your money so you can make sure you're always on top of your finances. How to get out of debt and save money on bills. Debt and bills are 2 of the most common problems that people face. This article will provide some tips that can help you to get out of debt and save money on bills. 1. You should start by setting up a budget. This is the most important step because it will provide you with an overview of your expenses, income, and debts. It will also help you to figure out what needs to be done in order to get out of debt. 2. You should also make sure that you have a plan for your debt repayment. You can use the snowball method or the avalanche method depending on your preference, but make sure that you stick with one plan until it is paid off completely. 3. When it comes to paying for utilities, don't forget about energy efficiency measures such as LED light bulbs, replacing old appliances with more energy efficient ones, or installing solar panels on your roof if possible. How to become more productive with a slash and burn approach to each day. The first step to productivity is to create a plan for the day. This plan should include what you need to accomplish, what you need to delegate, and what you need to do for yourself. This is a great time of year for reflection on how we can become more productive in our lives. It's important to set goals that are achievable and realistic, but also challenging enough that they will push us outside of our comfort zones. How to make extra money in tough times. It is hard to find a job nowadays. The unemployment rate is high and the competition for jobs is fierce. This has led to many people looking for ways to make money on the side. Some people have started freelancing, while others have turned to online jobs platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Others are taking advantage of their skills and knowledge by starting their own side hustle business. There are many ways that you can make money in tough times, but here are some of the most popular methods. 1. Freelancing. Freelance work can be done from home or at a coffee shop with just your laptop and an internet connection. With the rise of freelancing, many professionals are choosing to work remotely. It's an arrangement that offers job seekers the opportunity to take jobs they might not otherwise have access to, and it's a way for employers to fill in staffing gaps. 2. Online jobs platforms. Online jobs platforms allow you to do a variety of different tasks from home. There are many great platforms to choose from that provide you with an opportunity to work from home. Some of the most popular ones include Amazon Mechanical Turk, Fiverr, and Upwork. You can find jobs in any industry on these platforms. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. 3. Side hustle business. Starting your own side hustle business is one way that you can make money in tough times. Starting your own side hustle business can be a great way to make some extra cash in these tough times. It doesn't have to be a big-time effort, but you have to have the right idea and you have to do it right. 4. Selling your skills. There are many skills that you may have that. If you have a skill or know how to do something, you can make money off of it. The key is finding the right person to partner with. This article will provide strategies and tips on how to find them and earn potential income.